Hi, this is Terumi from Japan Language Factory, and today we'd like to announce officially that we are hiring the people from all over the world. Especially we call this Japan Language Factory. We are teaching Japanese language to the foreigners, so that's why mainly we are hiring Japanese people. But long term, our vision 2030 and 40, we would like to become a multilingual communication and speaking coaching school, which means we are not just a language school. We are not just a Japanese language school. We want to help all the people from all over the world. We want to help this multilingualism. So what is actually the things you really need to be sure and care is, are you willing to help the people to become a multilingual as soon as possible? So language learning industry 2022 currently, most of the people actually learn from the textbook, and then the language application, they actually start from alphabet like ABC, and after that is vocabulary, and after that is grammar, and they actually take proficiency. But it's 2022. Most of actually what people want to communicate with the people, because this internet changed our world. They can actually meet the people from all over the world online. That's why this multilingualism demands are getting higher and higher and higher, and also getting more opportunity to learn easily. If you can speak 10 languages, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and more languages, of course, you have a plenty of opportunity for the job and community and make people friends, become friends, or you actually start a new business or something. Its opportunity is endless. That's why this multilingualism, its demands are getting higher for the next 10 and 20 years. But it's also at the same time, most of people doesn't care about the proficiency or the university degree. It's more about they actually want to be a more influencer, YouTuber, TikToker, Instagrammer, or even the company CEO want to actually present their product in front of the camera. Of course, artists, let's say, they're like actor, actress, singers, they want to actually speak the language, different languages in front of their fan or audience. Athlete, for example, they can actually change the team easily and communicate with a team member with the different languages. This multilingualism is change our human actually opportunity. So working style in Japan Language Factory is very futuristic, which is fully remote. Currently, I'm in Greece. I'm just staying home, but also I can do exactly same things in Germany, in Japan, in the United States, in anywhere in the world, which is very futuristic, especially working is the most of the time in your life. Every day you're gonna work 8 hours every day, and you actually spend a lot of time for your job. And it's so important to actually have a job. You can actually stabilize your life, and you can of course gain the money. But it's, of course you want to enjoy your life. You can work anywhere in the world. This is really cool. And also you don't need to care about the staying in the same country forever. You don't need to care, I don't like this office, I need to stay there forever. No, you can actually even have a child, you can stay home, you can actually take care of your children, but also you can work here. So this fully remote forever, and you can live anywhere you want. So one last thing is, before applying our job interview to become a language coach in our school, please promise me that you really love this mission. It's not just a language teaching and just to get the $10 per hour, and I don't care if this person become a Japanese speaker or not. We really don't need just a smart person, but they don't have passion. Oh, I just have a TOEIC 900, but I don't have a passion. We really don't need this just a money tracker. We like to have a best people, which is good mindset, passionate about our mission, and willing to help people. So if you have passion, And if you actually really want to work with us, please apply and please visit our website japanlanguagefactory.com and just send a message info@japanlanguagefactory.com.